Today at Audio City USA, look at this.
Appreciate it. I love the license plate, no wife. It's like watching your girlfriend walk away like a big old booty.
Are you into machines like that?
Yeah, big bro dozers, I love it.
Coming back from Vegas to see my guys here at Audio City again, #1 shop.
All the way out here from Vegas because other wheel shops couldn't fit the tires that he needed, so we're doing it right now.
What's up, Jose?
Oh, what good one? Yes, a slow leak. We're gonna find out what's wrong.
So we're gonna try to figure out where this flat is.
It's just a valve.
It's a valve. Yeah, that looks like it. Okay, the problem was the valve. So what we're gonna do is just take out the sensor and put a new valve.
Why is it all wet?
He checked the leak. Did you find the leak already?
Yeah, it's a valve.
It's the valve. Okay. Good thing it's not the tire, and he has to buy a whole new tire.
Yeah, but the problem is putting the air in the tire.
Yeah, this one right here, you have to use a cheetah blaster or no?
I have my own way. But remember, we came all the way from Vegas. You know why?
Why?
Because it took a week to do 2 tires. Remember?
The shop he went to in Nevada, they were taking too long to mount and to dismount it. He just brought it back to us because he knows that we'll do it much faster than that.
Because the tire is too thick.
Oh.
And it's hard to put air in that.
So how do you do this, magic?
It's called experience.
It's called the little thing called the cheetah blaster back there.
You can use the
You're not using the cheetah blaster for it.
Nope.
Are you gonna show him how to do it or no?
Hey, family secret. I've been doing it for 29 years. You think I'm just gonna go and let them how I do
Well,
it?
even if they try it, it's not gonna be the same because you've already done it so many times.
Too many times.
Rick, what the fuck are you doing?
It's like he's vlogging or something, but this is not an Audio City vlog. If it is,
It
try
is. It is. Also, you said it wrong.
Audio City USA.
Yeah, this is not Audio
USA.
City Communist Russia. It's Audio City USA.
And this one I can do it. The tire's already stretched.
We're gonna cheetah blast it.
I thought you said Cheeto, like the chip. How's this shit work?
This is basically like a shotgun blast of air.
Andy, you want to help me jack up?
Are you jacking up or jacking off?
No, I'm not jacking.
Hey, shouldn't you be answering phone calls right now?
Yes.
No, I'm doing something very important at the moment.
Alrighty guys, so now that the wheel has been repaired, the valve has been repaired, we're gonna go do a water test just to make sure that it is no longer leaking that air. This is the final water test. Let's see if this works. Is it still leaking? Perfect.
He came from Vegas just to get this done because the shops in his area can't make this happen. They were taking too long, giving him the runarounds. He came to us. We made it happen fast. Anyways, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't be a loser. Make sure you subscribe. You want to see more content, more cars, more stuff in the daily life here. We're going to be posting more like this.
Otherwise, Anthony will show up where you sleep at night and breathe on you.